Okay, grade 1. Ready for the second part? Let's quickly review that fraction can name equal parts of a whole shape. First of all, to write a fraction, you need to count how many equal parts make up the shape. The number of equal parts is written down under the line in the fraction. Like here, 3 equal parts, number 3 is written down. 4 equal parts, number 4 is written down. Now, on the top, we will write the number of shaded parts in the shape. Here we have only one. One part is green. Here, one part is red. Here, one part is blue. Number 1 will be written on the top of the fraction. When we have only one part of the shape shaded, that fraction is called unit fraction. This is called 1/2. This is called 1/3, and this is called 1/4. Let's go to the next page, please. Page 272. What we need to do here, we need to write the fraction for the shaded part of the shape. Let's do it. First one is done for you. Again, you will count how many equal parts make up the shape. 1, 2. Number 2 is written down under the line in the fraction. And how many parts are shaded? Only 1. 1 is written on the top of the line in the fraction. Let's count how many equal parts make this square. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will draw the line first. Where will I write number 4? Up or down? I will write number 4 down, of course, because the number of equal parts is written down. How many parts are shaded? 1 only. We will write number 1 on the top. This fraction is called 1/4. Next shape. First, I will start with the line. Good. How many equal parts do we have in this shape? 1, 2, 3. We will write number 3 down under the line. How many parts are shaded? 1 only. We will write number 1 on the top. We read this fraction 1/3. Let's do this one. First, start with drawing the line. Good. Now, count how many equal parts make this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Easy to count. Now, how many of these parts is shaded red? Only 1. We will write number 1 on the top. How do we read this fraction? 1/4. 1/4. Very good. Let's go and do this one. I will start with drawing my line. Now, second step, count how many parts are all together forming this shape. 1, 2, 3. 3. And how many of them are shaded red? 1. 1 will go on the top. 1/3. Let's go to the triangle. I will start with the line. Now I will count how many equal parts do we have here. 1, 2. I will write number 2 down. And how many of them are shaded red? That one. Only 1. We read this fraction 1/2. Good. Now, color to show the fraction. 1/5 or 1/5. This shape is divided into 5 equal parts. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number of equal parts. What is this number 1? Number 1 means how many parts should be shaded or colored. You can take any color pencil that you want, red, blue, orange, yellow, green, and you need to color one part with a color as you wish. I will use the red one and I will shade it just like that. Yeah, I'm not so good at that, am I? Okay, never mind. One part should be shaded. Good. Good. Let's go to the next one. We have 1 out of 6 or 1/6. Please, this shape is divided into 6 equal parts. If you count them, they are 6. 6 equal parts, they are written down. 6 equal parts. Now we need to shade one part out of these 6. I will choose that one. Please shade one part with the color as you wish. You can make your page colorful. Okay. Good job. Now, that one is called 1/8. It has 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. How many are shaded? Again, 1. You can choose any one of these to color with your color of your choice. I will choose that one. Oops, sorry. You color better than me, okay? Good. Okay. Not very good job, is it? Good. Done? Very good. This part we will skip. But if you are smart, you can work on it as well. Draw a line or lines to show equal parts and then color to show the fraction. 1/2. It says that you need to have 2 equal parts. Do you remember how to make 2 equal parts? Like that. Go down. Okay, doesn't want to go down. Now, one part of these must be shaded. So you can color it with the color of your choice. Good. I'm not very good artist, am I? Okay, here is 1/3. Again, you need to divide the shape into 3 pieces, 3 equal parts. You can do it like this, for example, 1 and 2. Oops, not so good. And one part has to be shaded. So you can shade this one, for example. 1/4. Divide the shape into 4 equal parts and shade one of them. See, and I said I don't want to do this part. I said only smart students can do it, but I did it anyway. Good. Forgive me for my drawing skills, okay? Let's go to the next page. Workbook. Workbook page R710 or page 88. No. Page, wait, 87. Yes, 87. Okay, color one part. Write how many shaded and equal parts you have. Again, you will need your colored pens. Okay, color only one part. Only one part you need to color with your pencil. I will color this one. Okay, and now you need to write how many are shaded. Okay, so how many parts did we color? How many parts are shaded? Only one. Right, number 1. And how many equal parts do we have? How many all of them do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to count also the colored one, okay? All equal parts. Don't forget. 4 equal parts. That's why I prefer to count the equal parts first and then color it. Okay, so what's the fraction? The fraction is 1 out of 4, or 1/4. 1/4 is shaded. Okay, now let's color the part in the triangle. Choose which part do you want to color. The one on the right or on the left? I will go for that one. You color it nicely. I cannot do it with that computer mouse. Very good. So I'm just doing it as best as I can. Forgive me, okay? Good. So how many parts did I shade? I shaded only one part. I will write number 1 here. How many equal parts the triangle has? 1, 2. 2 equal parts. Good. So what will be the fraction? 1 part out of 2 parts is shaded. We call it also 1/2. Next page, which will be the last page. You can do it by yourself, can't you? Yes, you can. I will give you some time and you can pause the video if you need to do it slowly. Sorry, I didn't leave yet. Okay, I will do it very fast. First of all, start with the line. Count how many equal parts do we have all in the whole shape. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 equal parts. And how many are shaded? 1 only. Let's count here. Start with the line. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. And how many are shaded? 1 only. Start with the line. Count how many equal parts? 1 and 2. And how many are shaded? 1 only. Start with the line. Count how many parts are all in the whole shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And how many are shaded? 1 only. Start with the line. How many parts do we have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 all equal parts. And how many are shaded? 1 only. These are called unit fractions because only one part is shaded. Only one in each shape is shaded. So we call them unit fractions. Now color the fraction. 1 out of 8. 1/8. We have 8 equal parts. You need to color only one. Choose whichever you want. I will just mark that one. Good. 1/2. 1 part out of 2 needs to be shaded. You can color it as you wish. I will do it fast like this. Now 1/3. 1 shaded part out of 3. You can choose whichever you want, but only one. I will choose that one. And that's all. These are unit fractions. Thank you so much. And I'm so sorry for all my mistakes and pressing the buttons. I hope you understand the lesson. It's not difficult, it's easy. Revise, practice at home, and have a good time. Bye. Thank you so much.